Hey guys, I'm Ruby the Realtor, and today you're in for a treat. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a signpost once you get that listing. Come on. So the signpost I got is from Katie Garden, and I got it on Amazon, and most of these things come with your package, but I did add a stepping stool and my sign. Okay, so this is the first thing that comes with your package once you get this. So it's a big stake, and you can see it has an arrow on it. So you'll want to put it facing the direction that you want the house. In this case, we want to hit the traffic coming on the front and on the side of the house. So you'll want to point your arrow in the direction that's going to be the most feasible. Here's the fun part, guys, putting the stake in the ground. So once you have your stake in, as you can see, it's not all the way in. And what I like to do, you can either stand on it. So for some reason, the ground is not moist enough, you can always do what I'm going to do here, which is pour water just to make it more moist. So now you put the white post over the stake, nice and sturdy, and then you just slide this to match, and you can turnkey. I like to always bring a stepping stool because when it's higher it just helps. So you put that right. Then you just hang your sign. So I've pre-installed the hooks that go on there, and then you have these little clips that come right on the sign, and you just clip these right on, and I'll do that. So this house is coming soon. So there you go, guys. The last part, attach your posts. That's it, guys. This house is coming soon. So there you go. You just saw how easy it is to install a sign. Join me next time on Ruby the Realtor. Go get those listings.